Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Let's make a start.
Yes, sir.
Do you like morning time or evening time?
Mostly I like to morning time because it is my habit to get up early in the morning and spend 1.5 hours for some exercise and daily activity, morning activity.
Okay. What do you usually do in the evening?
Usually, mostly I spend some time to watch some news and spend some time with family to take some teas before going to bed.
Okay, so at the end you need to conclude your answer as well. So therefore in the evening I mostly spend time with my family members. Okay, something like that. Let's go on. What did you do in the evening when you were a child?
In the evening, when I was child, I like to listen some stories from my mother and father to spend some time. Before sleeping, my mother told me some
My
stories.
mother used to tell me some
My mother
stories.
used to told me some
Tell
story.
me. Used to tell me some
Used to tell me
stories
some stories.
and I like them very
I like.
much. Okay, let's go on. What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is weekend because on the weekend
Weekend is not the day. Day is Saturday or Sunday. She said my favorite days of the week are Saturday and Sunday, and then you can talk. So, what's your favorite day of the week?
my favorite day of the week is last day of the week because after that day I know there is a weekend because I hope to spend some time with the friends and family.
Okay, so
So
I like
I
weekend.
like weekends.
All right, that's good. Practice all these topics so that your answers are organized answers. Okay, let's go on. It's your turn. Do you like to use computer?
I don't like computers because I think it was some waste of time. But
It is waste of
it
time.
is waste of time because some people will sit for a long time and use that affect their eyes or some health issues.
Okay, so therefore I don't like
Like
to use computer.
Yes.
All right, which computer do you like, laptop or desktop?
I prefer a laptop because it is portable and it is easier to carry for anywhere, and it help us for because it is a lightweight and it is not so much of a much much burden for a person to get to carry it.
Okay,
So,
what's your favorite software on computer?
I mostly use Adobe Premiere because of editing purpose, because I like to edit most of the videos for my friends and my family members. So I like Adobe Premiere for my software for my homework.
Okay, that's good. So at the end you need to give a conclusion, otherwise it's all fine, right? Thank you so much.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.